Game plan for today's episode. 1. We cook the kare kare. 2. We taste the kare kare. And 3. We try to breakdance behind the kare kare. Obviously. Let's do this thing. What's up, my little Chinese eggplants, and welcome to J-Max Amateur Kitchen. Filipino episode 4. The moment that 2 of you have been waiting for. Because we're making Filipino Kare Kare. You guys on this Instapot craze yet? If you are, this episode is perfect for you. If you are not, this episode is perfect for you. So stick around. Alright, check it out. We got 3.5 pounds of oxtail. Flip that onto a board. Now, oxtail normally takes about 3 hours to cook. This Instapot is gonna cut that into a third. Let's get our 3.5 pounds of oxtail in here, along with half a white onion. And let's just add in some salt and pepper. Let's top that off with 6 cups of water. Let's throw in our lid, and we'll just set that to meat stew for an hour, pressure on high. And so while that's cooking, let's prep some of our veggies. We're starting off with Chinese long beans, which kind of remind me when people let their fingernails grow out really long. I'm just gonna cut these up in about 2-inch strips. That's probably enough. We also got a Chinese eggplant. We're just gonna slice that up. All right. Then we just got 4 heads of bok choy. I'm just gonna cut the stem off quick. Easy. And look, it's like little flowers. All right, I got a steamer going. We're gonna throw in our long beans and eggplant. And we're gonna cover that up and let it cook for 10 minutes. All right, these are good to go. And it just so happens that our oxtail is done as well. Pressure's out, let's take the lid off. Woo. Oh, that is looking good. All right, first thing we're gonna do is reserve 6 cups of our oxtail broth. We're gonna use this for the soup base. Next, let's get a large pot. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of grapeseed oil in there and throw in the other half of our onion that I chopped up, along with 6 cloves of minced garlic. We're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes. Next, we're gonna strain in 6 cups of our oxtail broth. We're gonna stir in 2 teaspoons of Annatto Powder, a half a cup of ground peanuts, which are just peanuts I threw in the food processor. And we're gonna finish that off with a half a cup of peanut butter. And give that a stir. We're gonna let this simmer for 10 minutes. Now, we're gonna stir in 2 tablespoons of Glutinous Rice Flour. If you can't find this, I'm sure you can use cornstarch instead. This is gonna thicken up our broth. Oh no, there's clumps. Let's try getting a whisk in there and breaking this up. Most of the clumps are gone, but I'm just gonna skim the top really quick. There we go. Learn from my mistakes. Whisk the rice in. Now that we're done saving our sauce, let's put in our bok choy, and let's add in our oxtail. All we gotta do now is add in our steamed veggies. Mix that up, and we're ready to serve. All right, it's time to try the kare kare. Okay. Got a bowl of rice. Ooh, that looks good. Veggies. And then I'm told you have to top it off with some shrimp paste. I'm gonna throw that right there. All right, and I don't know what to eat it with, so I got all the things. That oxtail is so tender. All right, check that out. Let's give it a try. Let's get some veggies and shrimp paste. Whoa. Ooh, that's good. Oh, that shrimp paste is salty. Oh, that is good though. Peanut butter sauce is so rich.
Can I try it?
Yeah, get in here.
Not my thing.
Okay. Sauce is amazing. Vegetables are delicious. Oxtail is good. It's a little fatty for me. I know that's traditional to use oxtail. I would make this again, but I'm gonna try to use something else. I don't love like the fatty meat. However, the Instapot did make it super tender, so it does almost melt in your mouth. This is really good. And now, step 3. Try to break dance behind it.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Filipino Kare Kare. Filipino Kare Kare. Filipino Kare Kare. Episode 4 of our Filipino series. If you're not subscribed and you want to see more, well, subscribe. And thank you for watching. Salamat.